In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TradingView on your laptop, whether you're using Windows 10, 11, or even 7. If you're eager to get started with TradingView and enhance your trading experience, you've come to the right place. We'll go through each step clearly and thoroughly, so just sit back, relax, and let's dive in. First, let's start by opening your web browser. In this example, we're going to use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Go to the search bar and type in TradingView for PC. Since TradingView is an online platform, downloading the desktop version brings it to your fingertips without needing to navigate through web pages every time. It integrates all your trading tools in one place, making it more accessible and easier to manage your financial studies. Once you've entered the search query, hit enter and you'll see a list of search results. What we're looking for is the official TradingView desktop application link, and it's important to ensure that you're on the official TradingView website. This will prevent downloading an unverified version, which could lead to security risks. An easy way to verify it's the official site is by looking at the URL. It should be tradingview.com or something you recognize to be credible. After clicking the link, you'll land on TradingView's official webpage. Here, you'll find various options related to TradingView. What you need to do now is scroll down to find the download options specifically designed for different operating systems. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll easily find this section, as TradingView has provided separate download options for platforms like Windows, Mac, and Linux, catering to their diverse user base. Now that you've reached the download options, you'll see a button labeled Download for Windows. Click on this button and the download will initiate immediately. The file size is manageable, so it shouldn't take long depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder or wherever your downloads are automatically saved and locate the TradingView setup file. Now open the setup file to begin the installation process. Follow the installation prompts, accepting the terms and conditions and specifying the installation location if necessary. It's usually best to stick with the default settings to avoid any complications unless you're familiar with custom installations. Once the installation is complete, you'll have TradingView installed on your PC. You can now open TradingView directly from your desktop or Start menu, log in with your TradingView account, and start exploring all the robust features available to refine your trading strategies. That's all there is to it. Simple and straightforward steps to ensure you have the power of TradingView readily available on your laptop. Happy trading!